When you upgrade your account, we want to make sure you pay in a way that suits you, so we offer different payment methods, but there are two main ways to pay: pay now and pay by invoice. Let's dig in. If you want to buy a paid plan, click Upgrade. Then choose your plan. If you've chosen a monthly plan, you'll only see some payment methods. If you're buying an annual plan, you'll see some more options like invoice. Payment methods can change from country to country, and the currency you pay also depends on the billing country. For example, if I were in the United States, I'd pay in US dollars. I'm British though, so I'll pay in pounds. You can pay for your plan immediately with a credit card, direct debit, or other common quick payment methods. It's a fantastic payment option if you want to get access to your paid features as soon as you've checked out, and you'll be auto-charged at your renewal, so you'll never forget your next payment or lose access to features. Paying by invoice is a really great option if you're buying an annual plan and you don't want to be charged automatically for renewals. Once you complete your checkout, we'll create an invoice for you to pay. All the methods you can use to pay are listed right in the invoice itself, like credit card or wire transfer. Remember that if you choose to pay by invoice, you won't have access to your paid features when you complete your checkout. You'll get them the moment we receive payment. So if you pay your invoice by credit card, you can activate your account straight away. But if you pay by wire transfer, it might take a couple of days before your account is upgraded. Then, 45 days before your renewal, we'll pop you an email with an invoice, which you can pay before your next billing date. Choosing whether you want to pay now or pay by invoice is up to you. No matter which one you choose, once your payment goes through, you can get on creating fantastic surveys.